Okay, what we've got here basically is the basic rig, standard cart rigs. I'll show you first of all the rig itself. Okay, what we've got is the hook and a hair there. As you can see, that's actually built in, tied in, and a piece of silicone rubber, and that allows me then to move the rubber up and down on the hook, so that you've got then you can adjust where the bait's going to sit. And what we're doing now is I'll just show you how we thread those on. And this is actually commercial baits. This is board baits, and this is actually a maple cream boilie. They're actually called boilies, and these are quite standard carp baits, been developed over the years. And we've got a baiting needle there. We just push that through the bait, and there's a little barb on the baiting needle, and then you just pull the hair through like that on there, and then you've got these boilie stops, and you can then just push the boilie stops through into the hair, into the loop like that, and just snip it off. Or you can obviously cut them up, just insert the stop with your dexterous with your fingers. And this is, as I say, one of my rigs there. It's all ready to go, and I've got a clear stopper on there. It doesn't make any difference a lot of the time. The carps, as I say, you tend to just pick them up. And because the carp's like a biological vacuum, it'll come in and it'll just suck up the bait, and because the hook's naked, it just means it's much easier then to hook the carp, and it's also better for detection. And in that respect, you've got less chances of the bait having a problem with balance, that sort of thing. So and you can do various things like with pop-ups and things like that, and put on a bit of cork if you want to, just to counterbalance the hook. So with this, you've got this rig, and if you look, I've got a kink in the rubber there, and I'll always turn it down towards the back of the hook, make it come round like that, so it's turned down towards the point side, if you will, away from the shank. And the reason being is that if you can imagine a carp coming in and it's sucked in the bait, and it's actually over the lip of the carp hanging on there, and then as the carp moves to the next bait, you see the hook turn there, okay, and it makes it easier then for the rig to operate. It's much better if you've got a slight bend in a little bit of rubber there. You don't need to get a huge bent hook or anything like that. I'll show you that again just once more. Okay, see how the hook turns? So it doesn't matter where the carp picks the rig up, which direction it comes from. Once it picks up the rig, it's always going to turn, because you've got that little bend there at the back of the hook. Okay, and that's a standard rig. This is my own braid. It's very supple. The fish just cannot detect it, even once it's picked it up. So that's the basic cart rig, and how we thread the baits onto the hair rig, and it's called a hair rig. Okay.